Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be looking at the Latercase and the Pitaka case, and I just want to clear up some controversy, or try to clear up some controversy, because there's still people going on and on about it, that Lu ripped off Pitaka and Evutech and all the case manufacturers that make these aramid fiber, carbon fiber style cases. And, you know, yeah, they look almost identical, but this fiber is, you know, it only has one look to it. There's no, you can't make an aramid fiber case look much different. He did change some things up. There are some differences about the Latercase from the Pitaka case, which is what this is right here. On my Note 10 Plus, I have the Latercase. First being that you can see on the Latercase we have these notches right here. And what those do is they allow the case to flex a little bit. It makes it a lot easier to get on and off. Whereas on this one right here we just have an open top, an open bottom, and open button cutouts. This one we just have the open button cutouts, and then right here on the side it is just one piece all the way down, one piece across the top, and a piece across the bottom with cutouts for the ports and the S Pen. Now this one right here has a fiber kind of feel to it. It's not necessarily smooth. You can feel the texture in it, which is very nice. This one right here, you can feel the texture, but it has a sticky kind of almost, you know, like I can go like that and move the phone around, where on this one it doesn't grip to your hand as well. So this one's got some kind of, almost feels like a coating on it, whereas this one doesn't. This one has a better feel to it in my opinion. Some people may like this one. You know, I'm not saying one's better than the other. I'm just saying this one is different than the Pitaka case in my opinion. You can see the Pitaka one is kind of scratched up right there. I did wipe both of these off before we started. This one right here is still okay. It does have like some minor, you know, scuffing and stuff down here. This one is a little bit older though. I've had that one longer. But again, right here we have a raised camera cutout on the iPhone. This one's a different model. But there's no raised camera cutout, I don't think, on the iPhone of the Latercase either, but there's definitely not on the Note 10 Plus. So that's what that one looks like. So in my opinion, Lu did not rip off any company. Sure that his design looks similar, but there's only so much you can do with a design like this and with that material. It's going to look the same. That's just how it is. He paid for his own manufacturing. He paid for his own equipment to make these cases. It was very expensive. It's about $13,000, $14,000 for each different phone he makes a case for. So he did put in his own changes, and these cases are made specifically for him. They are not manufactured by another company or bought online and marked up like some people say they were. So that is just a little bit on the Latercase versus Pitaka versus Evutech whole controversy kind of thing. I do like the Latercase. I have a couple people that have the Latercase on both their iPhone and their Note 10, and they do like them as well. I'm Colin with Techout. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments section down below. And as always, have a great day.